Hello everyone, how are you? I am fine. Today I will explain in this video which content is best for more revenue. First, you need to know that USA content is very powerful for more revenue. If you want to earn more revenue, you need to make USA content, USA related content. You can create documentary video, you can create AI video, you can create crime scene video. So you need to take the audience from USA. So if your audience will come from USA, then you will earn more money from YouTube. So in this video I will explain you how you can create USA related video. First, you need to select a topic. Suppose you select a crime scene topic. Then you need to create first you need to create your content. You can create content from AI, or you can see a crime scene episode, then you will explain it. If you want to share your face video, you can share it, or you can't share it. It is not fact, but you need to create USA related video, then you can earn more money. So thank you so much.